How do we get higher productivity? The answer to this question can be easily found around you. You simply need to look at your production facility. A higher productivity is only possible with good planning. You will need an easy way to create the most optimized production route with real-time component status data in order to deliver the right product at the right time. This production data can be shared and accumulated into the main production management system. It will become big data for better production with lower cost. Our customers who were introduced to our planning solution got the overall productivity increase by 15% and savings in material cost by 5%. You need to start programming your job after planning. The industry has been moving fast to a multi-model in small quantity from single model with a large quantity. You need to put your production in action fast, multiple times a day. Our T-Elite supports offline component registry without stopping the production line. It is made of a separate machine with a small computer with our software. It supports an easy and quick but accurate component registry to start a new production. Our clients who adapted our TOLP and T-Elite could worry less to manage recipe and database. Also, the new production setup time was saved by 40% after using our program. The next stage is material management. Efficient material management will be the key factor in cost and productivity. If you use T-Smart ID and T-Smart Rack, you can manage location and quantity of your components in real time. It can prevent production downtime. This data is automatically transferred to our TIT, where it is used as big data. It helps to create better production management by preventing misplacement of components and analyzing past production data. We found an exceptional improvement from our customers who implemented our solution. 70% savings in material management time and 40% less in production downtime. The best production solution is rather simple. You need to produce more with less time and money. To accomplish this, we need to have a production management system where a real-time monitoring and a remote control are supported. You can monitor production status in real time, conduct diagnostics, prevent issues and manage production efficiency, even at a remote location with our TPNP. Your staff can receive warning signals and quickly solve the issue with our T-Smart app. Our TM2M supports machine-to-machine communication. It is possible to sync the updated data between equipment. You can upgrade production quality while it is running. With our T solution, our client found 100% verification rate in material and 30% better production quality. Since the SMT industry is inclined towards a multi-model with a small quantity, it is common to find a need to start a new production in the middle of the previous one. You need a solution to conduct a new production without interrupting the existing job. This is possible with our T-Smart ID, T-Smart Rack, and T-Smart Feeder. You can register new components offline, so you do not need to stop the work in the middle for a job change. TOLP and TPNP will help you to create and conduct a new job program with the least amount of time and personnel. We found our solution helped our customers to have a higher productivity, with 50% less time on changeover and 60% less time for the feeder kitting. The most efficient factory management would only come if you can consolidate all your previous experience into a file and implement to the operation at the right time. This is possible with Hanwha's T solution, where you can accomplish the future production facility with a minimum cost and time. Material verification will minimize user errors. Remote management is possible with an app. Production data is collected into the main system. These will become a basis to upgrade your productivity. Hanwha's T solution supports a better management, control, cost, and efficiency at every corner of your production process. At a long term, our clients found that they had 30% improvement in productivity and 18% less in component loss. Smart Factory starts here at Hanwha.